Hi, Ron from Clarity. In this quick how-to video, I'm going to walk through a couple different ways how you can create bundles or kits in the Ceph platform. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you what a kit looks like. So we're going to come up, we're going to do a quick search for IIA, and we'll scroll down and we can see that on here we are selling part 1, part 2, part 3, and we are selling a bundle of parts 1 through 3. So how did we create that? All right, well, I went and photoshopped that graphic to put parts 1 through 3 on there, but I added those 3 parts 1, 2, and 3 into the kit. And at the bottom of the product, I also have parts 1, 2, and 3 as individually sellable. Now, why would I do that? Well, what would happen if I went to buy the bundle and the bundle was out of stock, but I know it's going to take me a couple months to study each one of these? I still may want to go and just order part 1 because I know it's in stock. It's not on back order, so I could go ahead and get it and start studying now, and I can always pick up 2 and 3 later on down the road. So I've got 2 separate opportunities to sell. 1, I can sell as a discounted bundle, and 2, if that was out of stock, I could then go ahead and potentially upsell to go ahead and buy number 1 now so they can start studying. So let's go take a look and see how I created this product to have both a kit with all 3 in it and have all 3 as upsell opportunities. So popping over to the admin, we'll click on products. We'll just look real quick for kits. And we can see here is my IIA learning kit. So we'll edit. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to go in and change the type to a kit. Right? Normally it's a general product or whatever, but in this case it has to be changed to a kit. Then I go over to my associations, and you can see here I've added part 1s, 2, and 3 each twice. Because when I added the first part 1, I made it a related product, which shows up at the bottom of the page, but the second time I added part 1, it showed up as a kit component. And then I repeated that for parts 2 and 3. And so I easily made a kit by just adding those components. Now, that is when I manually came into the Ceph admin, I was able to create a product, changed it to type kit, went into associations, searched for, and added some products to that kit. Very simple. That's how to manually do it in Ceph. In this case, I actually imported this. How did I import this? Well, if I go over and look at my Ceph import sheet, here is my part 1, part 2, and part 3 study guide with their custom keys, which are the SKU that I use for those products. So then what I did, you can see they're 59, 60, 61. So I made up my own SKU, 62. I went ahead and created my own product, made it true, put it in the books category. But under type, I changed it to kit. And under kit components, a comma delimited of 59, 60, 61, which are those 3 components. And you can see over here under related products, I also put 59, 60, 61. So automatically by dragging and dropping this spreadsheet, when I imported all my products, it already set up the kit, the bundles, the 3 independent products from the 3 rows above. And for the kit, it set up a kit, put the 3 related products in, and put the 3 products below. So let's go take a look at another one. So here's another installation I have. I'm going to look at products. We'll filter by kit, and we'll go look at this gaming computer kit. So if I look at the gaming computer kit, I would assume the type is set to kit. I would assume when I go to associations, I'd see some products. Well, I see the Kingston RAM upgrade for my laptop, and I see the TV that goes with that bundle, but I don't see the laptop. So we go into add products, go into name, search for products. Here's my Acer laptop. I click, I add, and now it adds it by default as a related product. So now I have to switch it to a kit component. And so now I've got those 3 items as my kit component. I could go in and add a cable too if I wanted. I'm sure I probably have like an HDMI cable or something in there, right? If I did that, I would come in here, search for HDMI, search. Here's my HDMI monster cable. Check, add that, change that to a kit component. So now I have a bundle. I've got my laptop with my laptop upgrade, my cable that connects it to my TV, and now I've got this gaming computer TV combination bundle, and then all I would have to do is save and close, and now that becomes part of the bundle. That's Clarity eCommerce, easily creating or importing automatically kits or bundles. Thanks for watching.